Hello everyone, I'm Felicia. Are you in a dilemma about which app is the best tool for habit tracking, such as meal planning, workout, and to-do list? Today, let me show you how to use Google Calendar to meet all these needs in a simple way. First things first, make sure you have a Google account. If you don't, it's easy to sign up. Once you're set up, open Chrome and go to your Google Calendar. This is where the magic happens. In Google Calendar, there are 4 main areas: banner, events, main drawer, and sidebar. To create your habit tracker, first, let's create a new calendar. In the main drawer area, there is a plus next to other calendars. Click it and select Create New Calendar. Now, it's your turn to make a name for your new calendar. Remember, this is your personal habit tracker, so you can name it Meal Planning and click Calendar and wait for it. And then return to the settings. You can see the new calendar in the main drawer area. You can change the color by clicking the 3 dots. I like to choose tomato. What's your favorite color? I think you choose a good color for your meal planning, right? Now, be ready to track your meals. Click on the date or the Create button in the main drawer to add an event and provide information about your diet. In the title, you can jot down what you have for your breakfast, lunch, and dinner. For example, I had a toast, yogurt with cranberry sauce for breakfast, 2 pizza and black coffee for lunch. You can also click more options for a bigger window. To keep your meal plans easily visible, check the all day box. This will place them at the top of your calendar. Don't forget to choose the right calendar and color for your meal planning. It helps to differentiate your meal plans visually. You can also add extra details to each event in the description box. For instance, you can put your fitness goals or attach a recipe, a tutorial video. For example, I found a link about how to make cranberry sauce. So I insert the link to this event, and you can copy the information from another website like ingredients, so you still can see the ingredients directly in the description box. Before saving, make sure the permission for the guest, then save it, and that's it. You can see the event at the top and all the information you need via laptops, your mobile phones, or tablets. To wrap up, the key tip is to make the event as all day so you can see it on the top. Google Calendar is a fantastic tool for tracking your habits. It's like having a personal assistant at your fingertips. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips.